It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're back again at the Rockaway YMCA in Arvern by the Sea. Their lap pool is no bueno. Let's go see what's going on and fix it. Okay, is that cold? Here, so we're gonna measure our temperature. Right now, ambient temperature is 69.3 degrees. We're using the Fluke 902 FC. This is a HVAC clamp meter for true RMS. It's a trusted workhorse. Check out the link in the Amazon, in the description box for a purchase link. Let's take a temperature reading of the pool. We have the end of the thermocouple in the pool water. We're 73.2 degrees here. And these ladies, they're cold. They're cold. The water cold?
It is 76.
That's cold.
Well, it depends on
freezing?
It's a little
Freezing?
Are you the heater?
I am here for the heater. Okay. Yes. All right, we have the high E2. And we have a few failures in the heat exchanger now. There's one there. There's another one right there. So one of the things to keep in mind, especially dealing with commercial pools and indoor pool heaters, you need to make sure that the water chemistry is always maintained. But also, look at this. We have acid, right? We have other pool chemicals here, directly adjacent to the fresh air intake of the pool heater. Not only this pool heater, but this one. Those things in the water and the air, those things floating around the air, no bueno for the pool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the moral of the story is, if you have a swimming pool, chances are you got a pool heater. And regardless if you have that Jandy, that high E2 commercial pool heater, or you have something like this, the Jandy JXI 400, pay very close attention to your water chemistry. It will be the death of your pool heater. Your pool heater could be brand new, a couple of years old, and the water, imbalanced water, could eat a hole through your pool heater and rendering it worthless and obsolete and trash, basura. So check your pool chemistry at least twice a week, and you should be good to go. Smash that thumbs up button, consider subscribing to the channel, and let me get thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go.